it's your girl Brie. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and so welcome back if you're not new. Girl, what do you do? I got some cleaning to do, okay? We're in the bathroom. The bathroom is a hot mess. I hate cleaning the bathroom. It's my least favorite chore to do, and my goal is to get the bathroom done and my bedroom done. There are a pile of clothes on my floor, which you guys probably already know if you know me. It's gonna be a pile of clothes on the floor. So I need to do my laundry, clean this bathroom. Then I need to wash my sheets and my linen, and I need to give the floor a good vacuum and the bathroom floor a good like scrub. Or I might just wait till my husband get home and ask him to do it. He's really good at scrubbing floors, so maybe we'll save that for him, you know? Teamwork make the dream work.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, so I have all of my supplies: bleach, antibacterial wipes, pine sol. We need to get some more pine sol. Y'all, I used to hate the original pine sol, but it's growing on me. It's the only one my husband likes. I like the lemon one. I think I'm ready, but first I'm gonna show you guys what everything looks like because it's really a mess. So do not judge me, okay? Do not judge me, all right? I was about to give y'all an excuse and reasoning, but I don't have to do that because this is reality. This is life. So I'm about to show y'all what the bathroom looks like. Here is the view from the outside. It's pretty a mess. We're not gonna get into the tub. It's just, all right, I need to clean all the products from right there and put them on my little shelf thing that I picked up from Target because that's where they go. But this sink area, honey, this sink is a mess, okay? It's just junky. Stuff is just everywhere. Like, I just need to do something with this. So I just finished scrubbing the tub, and I don't know if y'all can see this, but I think I might have scrubbed too hard because I left a hole at the bottom. What in the whole world? The tub is stripped at the bottom, so now I have to contact these people so that they can come and fix it, and I hope they can fix it today. Girl, the one time I actually cleaned the tub, normally babe cleans the bathroom because I just don't like cleaning the bathroom. At the very least, I will clean the sink and the toilet, but when it comes to the tub, girl, something about leaning over. I told y'all my back be hurting so bad, but the one time I'm doing it and I'm feeling motivated to do it, I done chipped the daggone tub. But so far so good. Tub looks good, the sink, it looks good, everything is clean. Last thing to do is the toilet as far as wiping down. Then I need to sweep, and I don't think I'm gonna scrub the floor. I think I'm gonna leave that tab for my husband. And the bathroom is done. Then we can move on to the bedroom. the laundry. So on my bed I have all the clothes on the bed because I plan on folding them up, and I'm hoping that by just having them laid out on the bed, it becomes an eyesore and it just makes me fold them up, you know. I'm hoping. But it's about lunchtime and I'm actually really hungry. But before I eat, I'm going to put this chicken in a crock pot because I'm making pulled chicken, barbecue chicken sandwiches for dinner. So I want the chicken to cook up all nice and get nice and tender and juicy in the slow cooker. So I'm about to clean the chicken breast and season them up and get those started so that dinner can be ready when we're ready to eat. So I'm laying on my couch and resting, relaxing for a little bit before maintenance gets here. They're coming to fix the tub, thank God. The lady said within the next hour, so yeah, within the next hour and a half to 2 hours is what she said. So I was like, you know what, let me relax, let me chill. My stomach is cramping so bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm at an 8, okay? It hurts so bad. It hurts to walk, so I was like, let me relax, lay down, chill out. I'm hoping they get here sooner than later. That way, you know, I can go ahead and get up, let them in, they do what they need to do. Then they can leave and I can chill. Like, I don't have to be woken up out of my sleep or, you know, just get into a real deep relaxation state and then have to get up and deal with people being in my house, you know? Like, I'm not trying to do that. But, girl, I don't know. That might be all the cleaning I do today. I'm tired. I have worn myself out. I am really, really proud of myself, though. I've gotten a lot done. And for cleaning not to have been on my list of things to do today, I feel pretty good about myself. Hey, how are you?
Doing good. How's it going?
Good. Whew, so it's the bathroom in the master. The tub has like this small hole in it, and then I was cleaning the bathroom earlier and it kind of broke off.
Well, y'all gonna planning on using the shower like tonight at all?
I'm about to get this chicken together, shred it all up to show y'all what it looked like. It smells really good and everything. So some chicken. Ooh, not it done fogged y'all up like that. Oops, but I'm about to shred this chicken real quick. Like I just woke up. I mean, I did, but like, I ain't gotta look like it. I can take my mind off. At least. The way this chicken is just falling apart. Oh my gosh, I'm about to taste it. It smells so good. Oh, good chicken. That's some good chicken. And I'm about to take some barbecue sauce and put it on there. But first, I'm gonna take some out because Greg likes to eat chicken sandwiches with chicken like this. Like, he doesn't like deli meat. So I'm gonna take some chicken out and I can make him like a chicken sandwich for lunch for work tomorrow or whatever, before I put barbecue sauce on it. Give him another option of what to have for lunch. So I'm gonna do that. The maintenance guy said he'll be right back because he gotta go get some more tools or something, since there's an actual hole at the bottom. It's not just a chip. So he was like, he'll be right back. He said we won't be able to use the bathroom tonight, which is unfortunate, but we do have another bathroom. Thank God for that. He asked me, I don't know if y'all heard, I think I did keep it in here, did we plan on using the shower tonight? Sir, yes. Yes, we plan on using the shower tonight. What? chicken is done. Just waiting on fries. My mom just put fries in the oven and we're gonna eat fries with it and coleslaw. So mom picked up some coleslaw. And this is the only time I eat coleslaw on my barbecue sandwiches. On a regular day, I'm not eating coleslaw. Definitely not eating it by itself. In the meantime though, I have my planner out. I have some planning to do for this month, or for the rest of this month. I planned out like half the month, so I'm trying to finish the rest while I watch my wife and kids. Turn it down a little bit. But also I am organizing like my collabs that I have going on. I have 2 collabs right now. Actually I have 4, but 2, you know, I know all the details and we kind of settled everything. And so now I'm in the process of kind of putting those ideas together, writing everything down and getting them all straight. So I'm super duper excited. I kind of see the fruits of my labor. YouTube is growing, like brands are wanting to work with me, and I'm just super duper excited and just so proud of myself. Like really proud of myself. This is my calendar so far. Everything in green, y'all see, says upload day. So this is what I'm planning out now. This is for you guys, for YouTube. And I'm just kind of drafting out video ideas, things that I want to showcase, you know, kind of gathering what's happening during the month. What can I kind of record? And am I doing something that I want to show you guys? That type of thing. To kind of map out my video ideas, you know, get like a rough draft. Last month I found that 2 ideas that I had, they had to be altered because what I thought was going to happen didn't end up happening, or it didn't happen the way that I thought it was going to happen. But it works for me because when I plan, at least I have a general idea, and so it's easier for me to kind of shift and change the plan if need be. This is kind of my planning process. I'm just going through and just, you know, coming up with stuff for YouTube, for the collabs that I have going on for Instagram, and I'm trying to incorporate TikTok on here as well. It's just juggling more than one platform is not easy at all. Like, it's very difficult. I thought I could just post the same things everywhere, which you can, and that works for people, but I want to cater to the audience on each platform, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want to keep posting the same thing on every platform, because some people that are on my TikTok, they like the content delivered in a different way than I would deliver it on YouTube, and the same goes for Instagram. I hope that makes sense. But anyway, I'm trying to be more intentional with my content, trying to be more intentional with how I'm posting, where I'm posting, and what I'm posting where. So yeah. I thought about posting our girl, that food was so good. I really outdid myself, if I do say so myself. It was good, but I'm about to take a shower. Oh, excuse me. I'm about to take a shower, girl, and get ready to relax. You know, it's nighttime. It's about 7 o'clock now. It's not really late, but this is my wind down time, okay? My wind down time, especially since like all of my work is done, you know, and that feels good. Did I even tell y'all? I think I did. The guy came back and said that they don't have the materials that they need, so we have to wait for them to order it. Then we have to wait for it to get in, and then we have to wait for them to fix it. The hole in our tub in me and babe's bathroom. So until then, we cannot use the tub, which means we cannot take a shower. So we have to do everything in the guest bathroom or main bathroom. I've been using this down there wash. I like this, y'all. This is by Good Wipes.
So I'm sitting here editing this video, and I noticed that I didn't do an outro for you guys, so here I am doing it now. And this is me post shower, finally putting the sheets on my bed. I had to wait for them to dry, girl, and the comforter is big, so it took forever, and it was a lot of dry cycles, but I'm finally able to put my sheets on my bed and get ready to relax. yeah, I was super proud of myself. I felt accomplished by the end of the day, getting ready for a new week and almost a new month at this point. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is your sign to go ahead and reset for your week, reset for the next month. Do what you got to do so that you go into the new week, new day with a fresh, clear mind and a fresh, clean space. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys in this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and drop some comments down below. We can go ahead and chat it up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell to notify each and every time your girl posts a new video. That's all I got for y'all. I'm about to go to bed because I'm editing this. It is 11:30 and I'm tired. But I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.